All right, Brandon is finally having his famous Ranga It's called Fall in the States. You're ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Okay, try it and see how it feels like. It tastes like. It feels like fall because it's too hot. It's a little hot. Does it taste mushy?
Let's go.
Like a cockroach? There's that dude that he travels all over the world.
Yeah.
And he tries the thing.
Sí, ¿cómo se llama?
Cockroach.
Sí, ¿cómo se llama?
Mushy, salty, a little sugar, like that. La otra ranga está aquí. Delicious. Smells different, but that's what it is. Look at my buddy here. Let's try it out. Eat the freaking.
Bueno, muchachos, para que tengan clara esta situación, esta comida es española, por si acaso.
Really?
Claro. Estos se llaman los famosos callos a la madrileña.
Wow.
Estos son los famosos callos a la madrileña.
Criollos.